This lawnmower has got a design flaw. Basically, the handlebars, the height is adjustable, but if you push these things in, it's really hard to get the bag on and off. If you have them out like I think they're supposed to be, the handlebar has to come out and move around. So I'm going to cut this spacer in half and put it on here to push these in a little. Remove this clip. I'm going to put this clip back in, and hopefully it'll work. Then I'll just do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so that whole thing probably took less than 5 minutes. As you can see, now they don't fall out. You can still adjust them. That's good. That's just a spacer from a hardware store. Cut it in half. See, there's still space here. And cost $1.25 for this.